Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into JupyterX and Elementor to unlock some serious customization power. Ever wanted to tweak just one little thing on your site and make it perfect? Well, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to add custom CSS classes and IDs to your elements. This means you can style practically anything exactly how you want it, all without messing with the theme's core code. And if you're new here, JupyterX is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme trusted by over 200,000 users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450-plus ready-made websites, and comes with a one-time payment instead of recurring fees. Let's get started. Okay, let's select this heading widget so we can edit it. Now, click on the Advanced tab to access this element's layout settings. Scrolling down in the Advanced panel, we can reveal the CSS ID and CSS classes settings options. Here we can add a unique ID, which is like a special label, so it only affects this specific element. For this example, I'm just going to type lorem as the ID of this element. And for the classes field, I typed ipsum. CSS classes are really handy when you want to style or target multiple elements across your page, or even your whole site. Think of them as a way to group elements that share something in common and give them a custom class to work with. Okay, let's preview the changes by clicking the Preview Changes button to see our work. As you can see, our custom CSS class and custom CSS ID have been successfully added to our code. And that's it. You've now learned how to add custom CSS classes and IDs to your JupyterX elements using Elementor. Go wild, get creative, and make your website truly unique. Remember, this method keeps your customizations separate, making updates a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.